What's going on, guys? Okay, so are you looking for a brand new construction home, but you don't want the HOA? Well, we're here in the Lime and Hunt community. It is a very small community, only a total of 4 different floor plans, and it is really nice. It is in Queen Creek, Arizona. This home right here is lot number 3. This go out for $750,000, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, my name is Kui Oscar, or just Oscar, Kamusta Kababayans. I'm your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. If you are brand new to my channel, I go around all the brand new construction communities and I showcase model homes as well as move-in ready homes. So if you're in the market for brand new construction, please definitely hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you can stay up to date with all the brand new construction here in the greater Phoenix area. I'm here in Queen Creek in this brand new community by Nexstar Homes called Lime and Hunt. Lime and Hunt is a total of only 4 different floor plans, guys. Only lots number 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're all sitting on over a 1/4 acre lot, and the best part is there's no HOA. So the home that I'm going to be showcasing today is a move-in ready home. So I'm excited to show you guys. Stick around to the end of this video. We'll just run through what is around this community because there's no HOA. We'll talk about timelines. So, to the Phoenix Sky Harbor area, what is there to do, around this area? Where are your nearest grocery stores and all that good stuff? Okay, so with that being said, let's get this home tour started. So what's really nice about this home, guys, is the front yard already comes landscaped. So usually too, if you've seen any of my other videos, it's just that very bare, just minimum landscaping. It is just literally that desert landscaping package, which is just rocks and these small little bushes. But this one, as you can see, they already turfed it and it's a really good size. Okay, now the whole lot here is about just over a 1/4 acre, so that's really good. This is a 3-car garage, but check this out, guys. This and every single lot here, it does have access to, the backyard. So if you have a camper or if you have an RV, like this would be a great place to park that, okay? And also because there's no HOA, I would, if you need more space, you could potentially just, break that down and make it even wider. I don't know. But yeah, really great space, guys. So the properties here, they are all on septic, so they have their own septic system. Hey, check out this inside. So we're just in the foyer area, okay? And as you come in, it is literally really nice. I'm so happy to have the AC. But as you're into the foyer area, you have about like 14-foot ceilings in the foyer area, and then all throughout the house you have like 10-foot ceilings. So if you come closer, you have this really nice large great room area, and it's open concept to the kitchen and to the eating space right off of the kitchen. So this is really nice. Okay, what I love about this kitchen too is that they went with this nice quartz countertop island, but they also put the shelving here on the other side as well. Usually what I've seen with new construction homes, they won't have that, so that's really awesome. Now they don't have the hood vent in, but the hood vent is going to have this really nice casing around it with some nice molding. You have Wolf stainless steel appliances, so you have Wolf microwave, you have a oven, you also have a dishwasher, and also the electric stove top, which Wolf is a really great brand as well. So as far as the floor plan goes, it is a split floor plan, so you have 3 on this side and then you have the primary on the other side. We're gonna go check this side out first. Here's your pantry. So really good sized pantry. Attic access is just right up there, but really good sized pantry, for all your proteins and all your kids' snacks. Here is the first bedroom. So you have an access door, just right off of the pantry. So that's really nice. All of the bedrooms here are all walk-in closets too. So that's really nice. Walking over here, you do have a full bath. Now this is a mirror. So this is going to install the mirror. So that's going to be, this is a pretty massive mirror. Oh man. But yeah, really nice. And they went with like the same thing too. So it's like quartz countertops, and they went with like that black, as you see, the black fixture. So that's really nice. I like the touch. So this side has 3 bedrooms and then also 2 full baths. Okay, so here's another bedroom. And as you can see, it's like huge, guys. It's It's massive. I could do like a cartwheel in here. Check this out. You ready for this? Oh, look at that. Yes. Walk-in closet here. So again, all of them have walk-in closets already pre-wired to you for a ceiling fan. So if you wanted to put a ceiling fan, you could definitely do that as well. Okay. Here is like a storage closet. Really good space. And then here's the other full bath. So kind of same thing going on. More storage as well. Okay. And then here is the other bedroom. Now, I know you guys see these blue tape and you're probably wondering what's that. So when you do your home orientation walkthrough, guys, you actually will also do what they call a blue tape walkthrough. Okay. And a blue tape walkthrough is, you go around and you kind of find things that are not done correctly, or it could be as minor as chip paint. It could be as minor as like, those little scuffs on those baseboards. But that's what that blue tape is. So as you can see, the baseboard has some little scuffs, but they're going to fix that, okay? The flooring is really nice too. They went with like a 4 by, what is this? Maybe like a 26 tile flooring. Okay. So that was a 3 bedrooms on that one side. We're going to go check out the primary bedroom. Now on this side, here's the laundry room. And what's really cool about this laundry room is that it has this built-in storage. Okay, so right here on the bottom, usually on brand new construction homes, unless you get it upgraded, there's only just like that shelving. So this is really nice. Okay, so a lot of space too. You could probably even put like another refrigerator in here if you really wanted to. You have another linen closet here. So that's really awesome. We're going to go ahead and check out the 3-car garage. So let's check this place out. So this is really nice. Really tall ceilings too. The third bay goes deep. So, if you have an extended cab or if you have like a really long truck, definitely on this one, it can definitely fit. You have your soft water loop attachment as well. So that's that. It's really hot. And here is the primary. So primary is on the other side, like I said, so that's really nice. You have all that privacy. You have this nice farm door here as well. Look at this. It's that action shot. Okay, so here we're going in, really nice glass surrounding of the stand-up shower, and you have this really nice soaking tub. So that's really nice for all you ladies. This is what's up. For all you guys too who likes to soak in the tub, we work hard too. We like to soak in the tub. What's up? Maybe some ice baths. Let's go. Here is the toilet area, and then here is your huge walk-in closet. Go check that out. Okay, guys, so another really cool feature about these Nexstar homes, and Nexstar homes are building all around Arizona. And what I really love about Nexstar homes, as you can see, the finishes are really nice, but they are always building on these like 1/4 of an acre lots, acre lots. So if you are definitely interested in, those bigger lots, one, again, they're bigger, and two, they almost never have HOA. I've hosted numerous open houses for Nexstar homes, and their communities never has an HOA, guys. So that is a really huge plus. But check this out. So they have a 3-panel sliding door. Oh. Okay. And it goes all the way. It's not an in-pocket door, but it definitely goes all the way. And then you have this extended covered patio area. So that's really nice. You literally could do a lot of things to this backyard. I mean, you could definitely put like a small court. You could put a swimming pool back here. You can do a lot of great things. And what's really cool too is that behind this fence line is like a private egress. So, only certain people will go through this. So it's definitely not, pass through traffic at all. And on the other side is someone's huge lot. He has like 2-3 acres. So no one's going to be building back there. Maybe, from what I know. But this lot is huge, guys. And all of these floor plans in this community has this similar lot. So as you can see, here's like that RV area that you could definitely park your RV, and you can park it all the way in the back here if you wanted to. But the backyard, just like any other new construction home, guys, is just going to be bare. So just keep that in mind, okay? But again, like the front yard, that's how it's going to be, okay? So that's really awesome. Let's go take a look on the other side, because the other side is actually pretty big too. So here's the other side. It just has that like kind of that single access door, okay? So here's your caps for the septic system here on this side. All right, and then you do have your 2 AC units here as well. Okay, so you can still do some stuff here. But yeah, this is a really nice, generous sized backyard, guys. Okay, so let's talk about like what's around this area. So you're in Queen Creek, like I said. Now, the main road that runs across this area is called Hunt Highway, okay? On the other side is Riggs, okay? On Riggs, your EOS, you'll also hit this new Peckin Lake entertainment area. There's this huge Queen Creek marketplace where you'll have your Costco, you'll have Trader Joe's, you'll have Sprouts Organic Farmers Market, you'll have retail shops, you'll have a lot of restaurants over there too, and that's like 15 minutes away, guys. If you go left, as you keep going west, you'll eventually hit Chandler. Chandler, other vibes there as well. Great restaurants, more grocery shopping. You have the Chandler Fashion Square Mall as well. And then you also have Gilbert, guys. So that's what's around this area, okay? In this community too, you do have views of Santan Mountain in your front yard. And you also have some views too. Check it out in your backyard as well. Okay, guys, so let's talk about proximity, let's say, to the Phoenix Sky Harbor. So Phoenix Sky Harbor, you're looking at about a 45-minute drive, and that goes hand in hand if you wanted to go see the Diamondbacks game and also, the Suns game. If you want to go ahead up to Scottsdale and check out Scottsdale Fashion Square or just go up in that area, you're looking at about, again, a 45 to 50-minute drive time as well. So there's a lot of areas right here that you have access to, guys, so that's really nice. So that's about it for this community. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to send me an email or shoot me a text. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions on any other communities that you've been looking at here in the greater Phoenix area, definitely feel free to reach out to me. I would love to shoot you a personalized video. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.